Hi, welcome to Rouzati Rugs. In this video, I'll be introducing you to Oriental rugs. Now, when we talk about Oriental rugs, mainly we're talking about rugs within the Orient or the Asian province. However, that can go as far west as Turkey and as far east as China and certain areas of the former Soviet bloc. Now, the rug that I'm showcasing here is a classic Art Deco Chinese design. And what you notice here is this type of traditional motif with the flowers and the unique bright colors that they incorporate in these antique Chinese rugs. And this rug here is a classic 1920s antique Persian Saruk rug, also known as an American Saruk, because these were actually made for export for the American market back in the 1920s and 30s. You see this classic floral design going all the way through, a medallion along with the traditional border. And what's so prominent about these type of Saruk rugs is the background that is burgundy, coupled with a navy border as well. Now, moving a little bit more in the tribal realm is this beautiful 1920s Persian Karaja rug. And this is woven near the border of Iran and Azerbaijan. You have these beautiful medallions going through the center, again with the traditional border as well. Now, this specific rug is a tribal Yamut rug woven in Turkmenistan. And it has this gorgeous elephant footprint design that goes throughout the center, coupled with a beautiful skirt border going along the edge. Now, this specific rug showcases a classic Turkish Uşak rug. And as you can see again, this has the classic medallion with a beautiful border. These Turkish Uşak rugs generally have soft palettes or certain vivid tones. Now, this rug is really special. It's an antique Samarkand or Khotan rug that's woven in East Turkestan. And what makes this so unique is the size that's a unique long gallery size, in addition to the design that has kind of a cross between a Caucasian design and somewhat of an Asian design as well. And going into a little bit more of a finer grade of a rug, last but not least, we have this beautiful Persian Kum rug. These Persian Kum rugs are woven on a silk foundation. They have a silk pile, so it's 100% silk. And they're absolutely brilliant, extremely fine in the weave as well. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Rouzati Rugs. And don't forget to check out our blog on rouzatirugs.com, where we share some great information about rugs in general. Thanks for watching.